So here they are. This is the Zodiac Pro 4.2 metre bench seat, and that is the Bombard Explorer. I think it's a 420 or a 380. That's got a Tohatsu TLDI, and that's got the 50 Merc carbureted. So that one's fuel injected, that means, and this one is carbureted. So we're basically comparing the fuel injected two-strokes to the carbureted two-strokes. Now the fuel injected one start on button every time. We're also comparing the Bombard Explorer to the Zodiac Pro, because they've got two different hulls, and obviously the centre console compared to the bench seat. And so you can see they've got two very different hulls, but I would say the Zodiac boat is better in my opinion. But I'd also say, well, I know for a fact that the Bombard engine's a lot better. You've got a lot of storage in here, you've got an anchor locker up the front there, but I'm not moving the cover. They're both good. And you're about to see them both, you know, flying up next to each other. So I'll show you that now. This is the end of Mersey Island here, where I've got videos of us going into over there. And we're just following the river up. We don't usually go this far up the river. So we're just following the river up. You might not be able to hear me that well with this two-stroke, but up here is OC Island, and OC Island has like a causeway going into it. It does have some history to it, but I don't really know what. When you compare this though to the other boat, this is quicker with a 40 TLDI, which is crazy to think. So you've got the Bombard here, which is the one that I'm driving, because in the past 3 videos that I've uploaded, I think 2 of them were on the Zodiac, so I'm pretty sure you've got a good enough view of that boat, as in first person perspective. And I've gave my opinions on that boat numerous times. I think it's to sort of just conclude it in a couple words, I think it's a very good stable boat. But if you do want to check out the Zodiac a little bit more and find out a little bit more about it, it's got a 50 Merc on it, 2-stroke 2001, and I've got a quick little 2 or 3 minute video just before this one, and if not, just scroll back and you'll see a lot more videos. I think there's 1 or 2 more on that boat, because I used it all summer. So this video, as I said in the first clip, is comparing them whilst we just go up the river to an old island with like an old hotel on, and you can go over, you can drive over on low tide via car through a causeway. So it's really shallow water, and so we're just comparing both these boats. They've got very shallow hulls. That's Mersey there. You know how quick it took us on the skis to get to Mersey? We just got here. Yeah, it goes well when you trim it up, but it's no way, that's a more comfortable, over waves that's more comfortable. This is like, you feel it, you know? The only thing... No, this is quite quick on the, but it's one of them that you got to scan.
Is it?
Yeah, if it's ECU. It's an E-Tech. This is the same as an E-Tech. Yeah, but it's the same design as an E-Tech. Yeah. Yeah, that's Mersey, but where we're gonna go is we'll avoid collision with him, and then we'll stay in the centre just up here. Yeah, I can see all the jellyfish.
Yeah, I'll see it. You've got a bit of water in there. You can pull your plug out while you're going along.
Yeah, that's what I have to do. Although I don't like doing it.
I like a bilge pump.
Yeah, you've got a bilge pump.
I have, yeah, but I haven't got a lot of water in it. Get it out, pull the bung out, let it
I
bounce.
put it on my trailer, emptied it out and put it back in.
Yeah, self-made, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't like it. What's that? I don't know.
Well, I've never been on OC. I keep saying, no, I want to go there. Shoot there, there.
Well, what we could do, because you've got the anchor, so I'm governed to you. I can only stop where you stop, but we could move in a little bit and anchor up. Be the smallest boat anchored up there.